Excuse me. Excuse me, beauty. Good morning. My name is Steve. What's your name?
Is it not too early to worry, babe?
No, there is no particular time to worry, babe. Okay, can I have the number?
What?
I want to take you out, maybe weekend.
I'll be busy. I'm always busy during the weekends.
Okay. After weekend, off Sunday.
Church, I'll be in church.
After church.
Oh God! You don't give up, do you?
No, people like me don't give up.
Okay. 070.
Yeah, but okay, let me get the number first. You haven't told me your beautiful name.
Okay, my name is Olivia.
Oh, Olivia.
The number.
Beautiful name for a beautiful lady like you.
Okay.
Can I have your number?
Okay.
080.
Hello? Who's this?
Don't tell me you have short memory. Steve.
Steve? Who is Steve?
The guy you met while jogging a few minutes ago.
Oh! Steve. Please, forgive my bad memory.
So what's up? Where are you now?
I already told you, weekends are busy days for me.
How about taking you out?
I use weekends to do my chores. I told you, I need to rest too.
No matter how busy you are, squeezing out 1 hour won't be a bad idea. Trust me, you won't regret it.
Okay.
Alright, just text me your address. I'll send my driver to pick you up.
Alright.
Tell me, is that your new crush?
Oh, so you finally woke up.
Whatever. Tell me, is he cute? Does he have 6 packs? What kind of it?
I beg, leave me, Jerry.
Why will I leave you? Tell me.
So you were doing this on purpose, Abby?
How? Come, Joe.
I'll punch you. I'll punch you.
Eh? I need to know who she's talking to now. I know it's in your catch. When you come out, you tell me, oh, let me go enjoy myself. Lemonade. 6 packs now. Where did they see all these fine boys? Eh? Where these people they see all these fine boys? Oh, see cuteness now. Lemonade. Aye.
Diamond, could you put that phone down and make something for us to eat for breakfast?
I don't understand.
Why don't you understand?
Which one is I should go and make breakfast for us to eat? The one that I will make now, you will complain. This one is too salty. This one there is pepper. Ha!
But it's not fair now. It's not fair. How can I be in this house cooking and cleaning every time for a grown woman?
Okay, sorry, ma. So what do you want me to do?
While I'm cleaning the house, you go and make us breakfast to eat.
But you know, sir, I no sabi cook now. I no sabi cook. Another thing we say, I just do my nails now. Look at my nails. What be this type of nails where you carry? This one na French tips. You know, she say white today inside. If I go and cook now, all you go just stain all the nails. The money wey I take do now go. Wetin I go use dey comot? Abeg, leave me. Hi.
Okay. It's fine, but I hope you will not eat.
No problem.
Okay, no problem, Abi.
No problem.
I hope it's not the one when I'm done and you tell me, is there still some in the pot for me? Okay.
Okay, that's his parts now. Yeah, me good, yeah. You don't go finish, no. You be much to wale for you, my sister. To wale for you, my sister. Baby, you know, it's gonna be easier. Hey, the aroma alone, is given. Baby, you sabi to wear. You see, any man will go marry you. Go first of all come settle me because you see this is what they enjoy. I'm not gonna enjoy him again. So that man will come settle me first before he go carry you they go. You dey hear me? This food is over.
Can you stop talking? Can you just stop talking?
You dey cook.
Stop talking.
Babe, I was only showering you, giving you the accolades that you deserve. For a job well done. As in to the can come. Oh my God. Hey, what are Yeah.
Diamond.
Yeah?
Aside from pressing your phone all day, admiring guys with six-packs, what else do you do?
Babe, you don't know I have work I'm doing here. I'm a content creator. Cash out.
Okay. Look, I'm not against creating content, okay? I mean, you should have a side hustle, something that gives you money, so that you can keep spirit and body, so everything together.
Wait though, are you saying that this one is not job? Do you know that with this content creator, by the time I set and finish, from here, I go to make millions. Millions upon millions.
Okay.
I'll become Brother Shaggy. All those people where they do all those content. Now what think I go become?
Okay. So before that happens, what other business do you intend doing?
I get business now. Yo babe, get business for here.
I'm sorry, what? I'm lost. What?
I know, come back, no loss. I say I get honey pot for here. You see, let me shock you. If you see the kind of money people they give me, man, guys, they give me for you.
Okay.
1 round.
Okay.
Money, 1 round.
Diamond, eat your food. It's okay. Enough.
You better the chop now. Babe.
Yep.
Are you sure about this?
Sure about what?
Going on a date with someone you just met.
Diamond, it's just a date. I understand that you're looking out for me, okay?
It's just a date. This is unlike you. Holy Uche, maybe Amaka. You of all people, you accepted to go on a date with someone you just met.
So, I'm a babe. I mean, it's just a date. Hello? Oh, you're outside my gate. Oh, okay. I'll be out in a jiffy. Let me grab my bag. Okay. All right. Okay, darling.
Is that him?
Yes.
Him?
Yep.
So, come with you. I need to see. Let me be sure of who you're going out with.
Okay, I know you're looking out for me. Fine.
In case of kidnappers.
Oh, let's go if you insist.
Yes, so let me look at you. You're looking fine. Let's go.
You're beautiful.
Come on, you're flattering me now.
No, I'm not. You're the most beautiful of them all.
Oh, come on. You're going to make me shy. In fact, I'm shy now.
Shy, a big girl like you. From where to where? I beg you. So, tell me more about yourself.
Well, there isn't too much about me. My name is Olivia Okafor. I'm a product of First Class Marketing. I'm from a family of 5, 3 boys, 2 girls.
Fair enough. So what about your parents?
My parents, they're in a worry and they are kicking well. So, tell me about you.
Well, my name is Stephen Mbakwe. I am the...
Wait, why are you stuttering?
Okay. My name is Stephen Mbakwe. I am the CEO, Managing Director of Stephen's Group of Company.
Wait. Stevenson Group.
By the grace of God.
You.
Yes.
You are the CEO. Wait! Is that why you're stuttering?
Maybe. It's me, but I love keeping it on the low.
Wow. I mean, you're not doing bad for yourself. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Wow, and it's nice to meet you.
Okay, enough about me. Let's go back to you.
Oh, let's talk about you. I'm with the boss.
Hey, baby, how did it go?
Wow. It was awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was fun.
Are you serious? Just me.
Babe,
Yes.
do you know that Steve is the CEO of Stevenson Group of Companies? Exactly.
Lies.
My jaw dropped.
Stephen is the CEO. You don't mean it. Tell me something. How did you go? Did you kiss him? Tell me.
How? It was just a date.
It doesn't matter. You did not kiss him. Did you give him this? Did you give him Niwa? You give him. Make him suck now. Which one you give him?
Diamond, am I supposed to have sex with a guy on the first date?
Are you supposed to be looking at him? So what are you people doing there?
The necessary thing.
Necessary things. Are you people doing praise and worship? Is he your brother? What? I don't understand. Wait. I don't understand you. You mean you saw this big fish and then you want him to slip away from your hand? Is that what you're saying?
Wait, you want me to have sex with him? Sell myself cheap? Is that what you want me to do? So that you see me as one cheap girl?
God. Olivia, I am not saying you should sell yourself cheap. I am just saying that there are necessary things you need to do to keep your man. When you meet your man, you see this big thing where you carry. See this new one. You give him this one. Sucker. You kiss somewhere where, Hi. You kiss him. You see this one. You give him so that when you go house, you go remember they say, my baby, you sweet where. Now waiting like they try talk. So you don't do anyone. You come. Why you waiting? You come back on do. Yes, so that you will know whether he has mouth odor or whether he's good on bed. Yes, now.
Diamond.
Yes.
You're sick upstairs. You're not okay.
Olivia, you see person wey do you this thing, you no go better for them. You see person wey do you this thing, you no go better for them. You see opportunity, you won't make it slip from your hand. You dey here, they tell me say Diamond I dey sick. Who go advise you better advice? If no be me. Hi.
So, That's the price. What about the file from Landmark Agency? Okay, sir, look at you omitted it. Okay, nice. Find out if the secretary is done with that proposal and send it to me immediately. Alright, sir. Hello, Mom. Mom, how are you? Mom, I thought we were done with this conversation. Mom, when the time is right, I will give you grandchildren, okay? Beautiful ones. In fact, children go yakba, okay? But for now, I'm at work. This is work hour. I will call you back at night so that we can talk at length. Oh, Biko. Sir, the proposal is ready, sir. Okay. Let her send it to my email immediately. Alright, sir.
My crush and my dear love has found us. My crush and I, oh baby boy, we are meant to be to the end of time. We are meant to be together.
Hello.
So,
I'm very well.
always looking gorgeous.
Thank you.
Please sit.
So, where is your secretary and personal assistant?
They are done for the day.
Oh, and the boss is here working his ass out.
I've been busy, but now that you're here, guys, it's time to ease off. You're always beautiful. You know, from the very first time I set my eyes on you, there was something magnetic about you. Yeah. Like, should I say you are irresistible? I don't know. Am I making sense or am I confused by your beauty? Can I kiss you?
Wait, Steve, wait, hold on. Wait, Steve, wait! Steve, wait. Okay, I'm relaxed. Wait, move. Steve, move, please. What do you want to do? You want to have sex with me in your office?
Alright, I can see you don't like here. Let's go to my house or a good hotel or so.
Really? It's nice to meet you. Have a nice day.
It's not that serious. We can change location.
What is it?
Collins.
My name is Olivia.
Olivia, what a beautiful name. You look troubled. Is everything okay?
I'm fine, thank you. Don't bother.
Oh, okay. You can tell me anything, alright? My brother owns this company.
Your brother owns this company. Well, tell your brother that I'm not a cheap girl that he can sleep with in his office.
What? I know Steve. You want to sleep with this girl? Okay, then.
I've been calling you. Why are you not taking your calls?
Why should I take your calls?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You're sorry.
It will never happen again, okay?
You're sorry. You tried to sleep with me in your office. You think I'm some random girls? Huh? You think I'm that cheap and loose?
I'm sorry, it will never happen again. I was just joking.
Listen, Steve. Let me make this real clear. If you're coming to me because you want to have sex with me, you won't get that from me. Okay? Maybe you should meet one of those girls that would give it to you. Because for me, you won't get it.
So I'm sorry, okay? Get bygone with bygone. So it will never happen again. Trust me. Can I drop you off?
No, don't bother. I'm going to the supermarket.
I want to drop you.
I said don't bother. I'm going to the supermarket.
I insist.
Fine.
My crush and my dear love has found us. My crush and oh baby boy, we are meant to be to the end of time. We are meant to live together as one. Oh baby, please forgive me, I'm just a human. Oh baby, my baby.
Wow. I can see you bought a lot.
Yeah. I mean, that's what I do each time I earn my salary for the month. I get all the things that I need.
Wow. That makes you a homely girl. And I like that about you. So when will you be coming to my house to watch me cook? Or better still, cook for me?
Does it mean you don't have a house manager?
I have a house manager, but he comes only weekends to do just to tidy up the house. I do the cooking myself. I cook very well, trust me.
Wait, what?
I cook.
Wait, you're serious?
Of course, I'm a wonderful cook.
For real?
Yes.
You cook?
Let me even shock you. I have a mortar and pestle in my house. I pound yam when necessary.
Don't wait. Wait, seriously, you cook?
I mean every word of it. I have no reason to lie. I'm a wonderful cook. Don't worry, when are you coming?
A big guy that has everything like you cook?
Of course.
Wow, I'm impressed.
So when are you coming to watch me cook? Alright. I'm inviting you to my house next weekend so that you can watch me cook.
Okay.
Please forgive me, I'm just a human. 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 Please forgive.
The luckiest girl on earth.
You can say that again.
You're lucky, baby.
No.
You just got a big fish.
Mm-hmm.
Big fish.
I mean, my friend.
That is well loaded.
My friend, look at me from head to toe. Am I not endowed to attract a man like that?
Of course.
Am I not beautiful?
You're beautiful.
Intelligent?
You are.
Enough to have that kind of man by my side?
Of course.
Oh, man. You know that day we were jogging? He was just staring at me.
Are you serious?
Staring at me. He couldn't take his eyes off me.
Oh, you're kidding me.
I'm joking.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
You just got the biggest fish. When are we going to meet him?
I have a date with him next weekend.
Next weekend?
Mm-hmm.
I'm coming with you.
No, you're not.
Why not?
I said a date. A date is for two, me and my crush.
I don't understand. You and him. Me, Nko.
Diamond, it's a date.
No problem, but he gets friend, I mean.
Not that I know of. Okay, yes, Collins.
Collins!
But hold on.
Diamond with Collins.
Hold on. Collins is married with a kid.
Collins is married with a kid?
Yes.
Beautiful. I love that. I want him. I love married men. I love them. I want to become the side chick. Eh? Yes.
Wait, Diamond, did you skip the parts where I said he's married with a kid?
Why would I skip the part? I know what you talk. I did deaf. I no go school again. I hear what you talk. You say in they married. I won't become the side chick.
No, you won't.
Why not? Now you they talk for me. Now your mouth. Now your body. Now your doings. Now my mouth and my body.
Oh yeah, don't worry. You have a good man that will take care of you.
I believe that in a bed. Wait till they talk. You see big fish. You say make I leave that. Wait till I they leave again. Nah, this is my friend. You be like say you they get some coin for your head. Why go leave that thing? Come they find another person. The one we go don't bless me with now. You won't make I leave her. I don't feel leave her more. See, make I tell you what you know. Now side chick they enjoy past wife. You don't know. Before husband go house, he go, baby, waiting you want? I want ice cream. Boom! Ice cream. Fiam. Now side cheeky, where husband they jealous because you know say wife you don't become your own. But your side chick, you know what make anybody near around, make it enjoy them alone, everything, everywhere. Now side chick I won't be my sister.
Okay. It's fine. Now you drink.
You sure?
Yeah.
Hey! Make we cheers to the side chick.
No, it's fine. Don't worry. You have a good man. Okay?
Anyway, concern you. But I know say make I dey get ready. Hey! We don't catch am. You see why I like you. Make you dey bring them. They bring all the contacts. Make we dey enjoy. Huh?
Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me.
Why are you all dressed? What's the occasion?
We're going together.
To where?
Was it not you that said you have a date today? And we agreed that I'm going with you.
Diamond.
Yes?
I have a date. A date is for two. I already told you that you can't come with me now. I told you.
Why would you even say that? Eh? I don't understand you, Olivia. Why is it that every time you want to be doing shukwe, you're stingy about everything? Eh? We agreed that I will go with you. So allow me, I'm going for myself.
For yourself?
Yes.
What do you mean by you're going for yourself?
Are you not the person that told me that Steve has a friend that is called Collins?
So
I'm going for Collins. I bet they do fast, I don't ready.
you're going for a married man.
Now your body. Now you won't date them. How that one take concern you? Eh? Olofofo. I say make you dey hurry. Make you dey go. I don't ready. Once you ready now, I go just go inside, carry my bag. My shoe don't dey here.
I know you're so unbelievable.
I don't know why every time you I don't know. You that is saying this thing, how many times have you followed me to my boyfriend's house? How many times have you followed me to Andy's house? Anytime I want to go there, sure, you will follow me, you'll be going there. Your own now, you want to keep everything to yourself.
Follow you.
Yes.
You drag me to Andy's house. Diamond, listen. You have a young, handsome girl. Look, just leave this married man and focus on Andy, please.
Really?
Yes.
Did I tell you that Andy is my spec?
Oh.
Did I tell you that?
So what is your spec?
Okay. If you must know, I like men that love luxury. Men who Diego, men who get better money, big fish. Men who get name. for the society. So that when you come out, that's enough gonna give me. That's the kind of man I want. Where and which one be and who does monkey banana?
That no, you're not going with me, and that's fine now.
Yes. Oh yeah, now let me see him. How they wait?
Oh. I think his PA is here.
His PA is here?
Yeah.
I'm not finished.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. I'll be down in a minute. I'm coming.
Welcome. Wait, you don't hurry, you. Wait, I'm coming. Make I buckle my shoe.
Where are you going?
I'm coming with you.
Damo, why are you this dramatic?
I don't understand. Why are you trying to make your face like that? I'm coming with you.
But you know you can't come with me now. I can't bring you to Steve's house.
Are you now his spokesman? No, you're speaking for him. Allow him to talk for himself. Now let's go. Are you leave me alone? Do you know if you will allow me to bring you I
to
don't
his
understand.
house?
You know my best friend. Friends are meant to watch each other's back. Let's
leave me alone, Damo.
Good afternoon, sir.
My boss said I should bring you.
Of course, let's go.
Hello, please. Hold on. There's only provision for one. My boss instructed me to bring you.
We are one. She's my best friend. Anywhere she goes, I go. Let's go.
Maybe next time. Now, my boss said I should bring her. Mom, your bag, please.
Okay, talk to me now. Thank you.
Please. Maybe some other time.
Olivia. Wait.
Let's see, you're welcome.
Thank you. And you look good too.
Of course. What do you expect?
See?
Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you. Nice place.
Okay. Thank you. Please, to the dining.
Dining?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. I'll tell you.
Oh my goodness. What just happened? Me, Diamond. Olivia had the mind to leave me in this house to go and see him, Abby. I don't blame her. I don't blame her at all. Me and that stupid PA didn't even bother to look my way second time. He just said, no, you're not going anywhere. My boss said I should not bring you. No problem. I will show her. I will show Olivia. She will know that I am Diamond. I will show her. Rubbish. After all the time I took getting myself ready, my makeup, everything, she'll pay for this. Rubbish. I don't blame her. Idiot. She wants to be the only one they'll be pampering. Right? I live in Congo.
You're enjoying it?
This is delicious.
Well, I told you I'm a wonderful cook.
Wait. You mean you made this?
Of course.
Please tell me something else.
I mean every word of it. I'm a chef. Yes. In fact, I'm still a chef.
Oh. That's good to know. Oh. Tell me more about yourself. Tell me more about Steve.
Steve is a small boy with a big God. You know, some were born with golden spoon, but I was born with a wooden spoon. But along the line, God changed my wooden spoon to a golden spoon.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
I invited you here for 2 reasons.
Okay.
1, today's my birthday.
No way.
I'm serious.
No way. Wait. Why didn't you tell me today's your birthday?
Forgive my manners.
Come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Steve.
Thank you. I appreciate
Welcome.
it. Thank you very much. Secondly, I want you to accompany me to somewhere.
Where exactly? Where do you want me to accompany you to?
If you must know, the street.
Street.
Yes.
For what?
I love celebrating my birthday with the less privileged. Beggars, orphans. Yeah. Because I used to be there. I know how it feels to be down. So I love celebrating my birthday with them. So I need you to escort me there. Well, go show them love, eat and dine with them. And that's it.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Olivia, once again, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Sorry about that.
This is fine. This is fine.
This Oga birthday, I don't understand this Oga.
I don't think I did this in Oga Joe.
The man.
Just see you.
How Oga could just carry all this in and go do birthday for motherless babies home? Eh? You just imagine, how Oga will call all this in and go motherless babies. What's up, Oga go do the birthday here? We'll go enjoy, throw parties, celebrate, drink. One go spend all these things, both those bag of rice with inside, both OCC. Eh? And why we dey here? Are we not motherless and fatherless?
If you motherless, your mama don't die.
See what?
Me, my mama don't die.
See what they talk to.
Your mama don't die.
God, they say get sense, you don't get sense. See, man, this is not the
No,
like as we dey here, we are motherless and fatherless. You no suppose give us this thing. When we go to do birthday for those streets. Eh? While we are here, I'm fatherless, so. That's when Papa no get money, I'm fatherless, so.
Carry one, make I carry one.
Okay, I'll go carry that bag of rice. Come, man. This way.
Bag of rice. I don't think I know.
Don't be carrying. I don't know. I'm out. Go get that rice. Come here. I don't just understand this guy. Sometimes, in way, I don't just understand that.
I don't think I this rice. Oga Joe will help you.
If you know if you can leave her now, they wait you. Wait one till Oga come outside and say never load all this is finished.
I don't think I will help you now.
How I concern you? I don't make space for you. I don't make space for you.
You don't go follow me chop am o.
Wait, I dey come and help you with the glass. I don't help you.
Okay, colleagues.
How are you?
I do fine.
So my brother's car is not here.
Okay, no day. Okay, come out.
Okay.
Enter inside, you come out. Enter, make I close gates. Okay, colleagues.
How are you? Fine, sir. Welcome, sir. Where is my brother?
You know, today is his birthday. You know, at normal as usual, I went to Motherless Baby's home to celebrate.
Oh, yeah, yes. Okay, I'll wait.
You're welcome, sir. Bye-bye. Welcome, sir.
Oga Joe.
You know what you talk now, Oga Joe. Don't they get sense? Don't worry. I'll help your life. I will help you.
Okay. I dey wait o.
Very big guy, my man. My friend.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So how was it?
Hi.
Splendid.
You must be okay here.
Yes.
Wow, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Olivia, our last born, Collins. Collins, you already know my woman, Olivia. Please sit.
Nice to meet you.
You look amazing, by the way.
Thank you. You too.
I don't know when you play now.
Hey. You won't believe this. Your wife was the first to call me to wish me happy birthday.
You and Jeanette. You and Jeanette. You know, she was actually awake till 12 a.m. just to wish you happy birthday.
She should calm down now. I'm not her husband. Since she came into this family, she's always the first to wish me happy birthday.
She can't wait for you to get married and, give her a good wife.
I beg you, don't do marriage counseling.
It's funny.
Wow. Nice to meet you, Collins.
Wow.
Baby, don't mind my brother.
You know, we
can't have a conversation without
So
you
much.
reminding me about marriage. I was throwing you this phone.
hello.
Hi, babes.
Which one is how far now? Eh? You know they check your time. Why you they come back by this time?
Sorry, my love. It was Steve's birthday.
Wait. You mean today is Steve's birthday and you refuse me going with you?
But I didn't know now. You only invited me for a date.
Oh, you're a great liar. You lie too much, you Olivia. Just as your name is, so as you are. You're a liar. You didn't even beg that his PA to carry me along with you. You want to eat alone. You will eat alone and die alone. You! I forgot that birthday. Go meet big better guys. Guys that have dollars, pounds, hero, name it. All the Bitcoin in this world, they get them. You! I cannot forgive in this one.
My darling.
Fit.
My darling, on the contrary, I was the only invitee, the only guest for the birthday.
You're still lying. You're still lying. Why are you lying? How can you be the only guest? Steve is a big man, big boy for that matter. Do you know who is Steve? How can you be the only guest? You want to tell me that Obi Kuban and them did not come? All these big people, they no show. Now waiting you won't tell me.
They didn't come because the birthday was done on the streets. We went to the orphanage home, motherless baby. That is how he celebrates his birthday every year.
What kind of nonsense, boring birthday is this one?
Boring?
Yes.
It wasn't boring. I had fun. I enjoyed it.
I had fun. I tried it. Every day, English. I enjoyed it. My dear, I don't like that kind of birthday. I'm thinking of that boy for my hand, though. He for my hand. I was thinking that all this will be Kubana them. big fish. Hey, guys, we know wetin dem dey do. Then go show for there. Hey, you dey tell me say you go street, go do wetin? You be beggar. You be beggar. Ha! Thank God say I no go the birthday. I for just waste my time and my energy.
Devon, please. That is his decision. Let's respect it. Thank you.
Okay. Always speaking English. That is his vision. No. For your information, let me just advise you as my own good friend though, because you know me, I have good heart. I say the truth the way he did. Make I just tell you, make you start to avoid that boy because he's going to bore you. You will become Mama Bomboy. Now waiting you will become.
I like it. Let him bore me that way. I like it. Yes. So have you eaten?
Eating what? When you have gone there to eat finish, you're here telling me, did you bring bone for me? No, make I chop the bone where you
Madam, relax. It's not that serious. I beg.
Are you ready?
What a day.
Olivia, what are you carrying?
What does it look like I'm carrying?
Clothes.
No. My sweet beloved boyfriend, Steve, took me for shopping.
Wait, you mean Steve bought all this for you?
All of it.
That's fine now.
Wait. What is fine? Hold on. I said my boyfriend, not our boyfriend. And he got me this guy's dresses.
This is beautiful. But this is not your type of dress. Ah, this is nice. Oh.
It's nice, I know.
Ah, why are you doing like this? They bought you all this, you can't even share with me. Your best friend. You want to eat everything and die alone? When you eat alone, you die alone, my sister. Just give me one. That's what Christ did. Yes.
Take.
Christ died for the church.
What?
Another one.
Another what?
Another one.
Please, leave my bag. My boyfriend bought for me, not for us.
Hey, stop announcing it's your boyfriend. We know it's your boyfriend. Nobody's dragging him. I'm just saying that you should give me another one.
Hey, don't worry. It's my turn because he wants me to look hot. You look for him.
Olivia, let's be going so that you give me Olivia, don't do this kind of thing with me. I better come give me my own share.
I wanted to hear your voice before going to bed. Why are you not sleeping? Are you not overworking yourself? Listen, this your work is taking too much of your time. You need something that will be giving you space and time for yourself. What if I ask you to stop this your accounting work and start traveling to Dubai, Turkey, to buy goods and all that? And what if I decide to open a boutique business for you? Okay. Nice one, but on a second thought you can think about what I said. Alright, night.
Please forgive me, I'm just a human.
Hey, my girl. Hiya. Okay. And this is for you.
Olivia, this is swelling blow. What's the secret?
Oh. So I met this big dude that has been spoiling me silly.
So babe, who is that?
Yeah, let's say he's the CEO of Steve Sands Group.
Steve?
Do you know him?
I mean, who doesn't know Steve back in this town? He's one of the richest dude in the city.
Are you serious?
He's a big one.
Oh. You know the guy asked me to quit my job so that he can open a boutique for me and stock it with Turkey wares.
I hope you accept it.
No, I didn't. I love my job as an accountant.
Look at this, babe. Can you ever compare your mega salary to owning a boutique?
I beg. I just met this guy the other day. And yesterday he took me for shopping. He almost shut down the boutique. I think it's too sudden, I beg.
Okay, so tell me. Are you giving it to him?
Have I given what to him?
Have you had intimacy with him?
Girl, shut up. I'm not that cheap.
I hope you haven't told Diamond about this guy.
Diamond. You know how Diamond can be, always trying to poke nose and try to listen to whatever I'm discussing with this guy over the phone.
You have to be careful with her. I do not trust her.
Becky, don't you think this girl has changed?
Change, okay? Olivia, a man is involved. So listen, you have to keep the relationship with you and Steve away from her. Just be careful with her.
Are you insinuating that she might do something silly again?
Olivia, you're not a child. Don't you want to learn from me?
I don't get.
What don't you get? Oh, seems you want to learn from your own mistakes. Fine then, that's your problem. But remember, I'm going to laugh at you very hard. Do you know why? Because I want you. Period. But this Steve guy, tell me.
Please. I'm a
When are you giving it to me? When are you giving?
Hi, babes.
Where were you last night?
I slept out.
You slept out? And you couldn't call me to tell me you weren't coming back?
I'm so sorry, no verse. You know, say this thing now when he starts to cry, I need to find food, give her. Now where I go last night though, I go give this thing something. Okay, chop.
At least you would have called me to inform me you were going to see Andy.
Who is Andy? Is that a name of a place or animal place of a thing? What are you talking about? Who is Andy? I don't see any Andy.
So, where were you?
My sister, I come out, go follow new catch. I follow new man come out.
Diamond.
Yes.
You went out with a total stranger.
I don't understand. What do you mean by total stranger?
I know, what is your problem? This thing is getting out of hand. Do you need help?
Now you need help. I don't understand you. This thing they find food. You know, I see this thing they do me tingwani. I need to find food to give her now. Eh? You don't make her they do soppy. I don't feel do soppy, oh. I beg, I don't feel do soppy. As the thing hungry me. Now so I go enjoy myself. Now while I die alive, I supposed to enjoy myself. Maybe when I die, you go carry this thing, they go heaven. I beg, don't tell me that kind of thing, I beg. Hi.
This is the same habit Andy was complaining. You wanted to choke the man out with sex.
Because he's not man enough. If he's man enough, he will handle this thing with care. See him! See all the things I give him.
I don't have time for this.
Come, make I tell you about the guy who I follow. Hey, they come out. I beg you, have a nice day. Auntie Gwegwegwe. I beg this guy Sabi do. See money now. Eh? He do finish. He still give me money on top. Eh? See money! See money! Hey! Diamond! Eh? See money? The way I give am, he dey shout. What? Kill me, oh! Do me, oh! He dey do me for my body! He dey do me for my body! He dey sweet me! He give me, he take my number. Say, I go come see am again! Diamond, you're the only girl that is sweet in the middle. I gave it to them. They take it! Don't play yourself! Don't joke with me! Olivia, why are you coming back at this hour of the night?
I went to see a friend.
A friend? I know it's Steve, right? Steve? Yes.
Did I tell you what Steve was going to say?
Stop pretending. Tell me. No, don't finally do, Abby.
I beg your pardon?
No, never do. Tell me now, which one is you beg my pardon? Stop begging my pardon. Tell me, is he sweet? How did he touch you?
Tell me, what is wrong with you?
How did he touch you? Eh? Tell me now, the guy is a bit in Bola.
What is wrong with you?
Which one is what is wrong with you?
Why are you so insensitive?
Wetin concern insensitive and this one now that I'm asking you? Eh? Just tell me. Is it a bad thing for me to know what you do?
Look, Diamond, please. I am so exhausted. I don't have energy for this.
Hey.
Please.
Hey! My friendship! They don't suck you. You don't get stressed. I know. I talk am. Tell me how much.
Diamond, what is it now? Why are you so annoying?
Annoying what? How much Insane give you?
What is your problem?
I don't understand. You want to tell me that that boy did not give you any money? I've been a show free, you can't they do? Eh? Talk to me now. How much did he give you?
I will leave this bed for you. You
don't go do me grimo finish now. You no one can answer my question. Now you don't dodge am. It's a good thing when you do something with all these things where you carry. At least make it they reduce small. Make them they help you. Because everywhere just full. Milk industry. Thank you.
You?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Sorry. You?
Me.
What are you doing here?
Olivia there. Olivia, my friend, she come.
Olivia is not here.
She not there here?
Yes. Can you stop looking at the house like that? What's the problem?
Your Oga there.
Morga there. Do you have any appointment with Morga?
Make I ask her whether Olivia there inside.
Olivia is not here. Yes. Hello, I'm right here. Hello, focus on me. Thank you.
I did.
So what do you want? You're asking of Morga. What do you want?
I beg, calm down. I won't see your Oga.
You want to see Morga?
Come now, why your body they do like this? Hey, calm down now. One
why my body go do like this? You come to my Oga's house and you're asking me Oga there. You do have a body with Oga?
Sorry. I'll make I just see your Oga now. Hey, make I just won't see him. I won't see him.
What do you want?
Make I see your Oga. It's very important.
In that case, I have to negotiate.
Now what thing you want?
You know, you have Coca-Cola, you have front, you have back. So if you can grace my bed, I will give you access not only my Oga's parlor, his bedroom.
Now what you just they talk small? You be mumu. If you tell me sis now, this is why they share you where I go.
Joseph!
Your Oga don't come out.
No move.
Make I wait.
What is she doing here?
Okay, she says she wants to see you. I don't know.
Let her go.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, hello.
See, yeah, see, there you go. Where did go? Go, calm down.
He said make I go. Make I go. I did you. Oh my God.
Calm down. Hold on. Relax.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You see?
Calm down. I should go back.
She knows that
Wow.
Oh wow. You see, baby.
You get your body.
You see, baby.
You get your body.
You see, baby.
You get your body.
It did my body. Let me show you that I am the only sweet in the middle.
Sweet in the middle.
Yes. That thing only does not give it to you. Let me come here.
she knows that baby. She knows
Indeed, you are sweet in the middle.
Yes. You can say that again. I am the only girl that is sweet in the middle.
That's nice.
I'm a pro.
Seeing is believing.
Yeah. So tell me, what relationship do you have with Olivia? What got you, attracted to her the first time you saw her?
Olivia has a likable personality. She's homely. And there is something about her.
I see. So, why did you cheat on her?
No. The question should be, why did you seduce me, knowing fully well that I am your best friend's man?
Yes! I won't lie. I got attracted to you the first time I saw you, Who wouldn't? That was why I have to try my luck.
You're a bad girl.
Yeah. So tell me, do you love her?
Can we change topic? I don't like it when we're discussing my girl. Of course I love her.
Meaning, you don't love me?
Listen. One of the questions I don't like, or things I don't like to hear is, what are we? Or where is this heading to? I don't like such questions. So just, let's not go there, And finally, please, whatever happened between us should remain between us. Olivia must not hear this.
Of course, I'm not a baby.
Seal it.
So can we go one more?
Hey!
Yes.
Zukwani.
One more! The only girl that is Simon.
What is going on here? Wait. I guess my eyes are pranking me. Okay. Diamond, what are you doing here?
Olivia, I came to see Steve.
Came to see Steve. How could you do this to me? I introduced you to my man and you went behind me to sleep with him.
I don't understand. Which one be your man? Eh? He's a man, and every man has the right to have so many women in their life. Which one is it? I slept with your man. Now your thing I use. Now my thing I use oh. Now this thing where I use. Which one be say waiting I do you? Ha! Who they like this kind of thing?
Diamond, why did you do this?
Ha! You won't cry. Now cry you won't cry. Who do you anything, I beg. I just can't enjoy myself. Waiting there. Can't chop alone, die alone.
Why did you do this to me? Why?
Do what? See, no, they tell me that thing. I dey vex so. You know say I dey vex. I know they like this kind of thing where you
My friend, will you shut up? They catch you with person, man, you see they argue nonsense. Get out of this place. Guilty and proud. Come over here!
You see the expose
Guilty and proud. I'm sorry, love.
You slept with my friend.
She seduced me. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? What does this make you? Huh? A superhero or a fool? If I didn't barge in on you guys, would you be sorry? I don't want to see you anywhere around me. And for Diamond, she has a lot to tell me.
Steve, what's your name?
Is it not too early to worry, babe?
No, there is no particular time to worry, babe. Okay, can I have your number?
I'm sorry. You tried to sleep with me in your office. You think I'm some random girls? Huh? You think I'm that cheap and loose?
Steve is a small boy. You know, some were born with golden spoon, but I was born with a wooden spoon. But along the line, God changed my wooden spoon to a golden spoon.
Oh wow, that's nice.
I invited you here for two reasons.
Okay.
One, today is my birthday.
No way.
I'm serious.
No, wait. Why didn't you tell me today's your birthday?
Forgive my manners.
Come on. Happy birthday to you.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. I'm done making excuses for people. No. Just leave him my house tonight. Yes.
Now where you they go?
No worry. You want to pick Shabby Hotel with the front here.
Hotel?
What?
To do what?
Why do you ask me what to go for there? Have you forgotten so soon?
Forgot too much. I don't understand what you
We had a deal now. And I've already fulfilled my own part. So it's not left for you to do your own. So that's what we're going to.
Hey, okay. You for ask me now.
Ask me for what?
See, you know me today. Make you know do I'm today. You see, as you they see me like this, my bakos they pay me.
Wow.
Your God don't drain all the water away in my body. What if it come out to? No water, no licky.
Don't worry, we'll use lubricant.
No now. Oga, you don't understand wetin I did. I no say I no go do wetin I promise you. I just dey say make you just allow me today. Tomorrow make we do am.
We're not going to do anything tomorrow. This is I get speed, I get lubricant today. We will use them. Water will come out. If I handle you, and they tell you, water will come out by force. See, that dry land will be a wet land. So don't worry. See, you came to me, and I feel my own part of the deal. You said, please allow me to have access to your pots, and I will give you not only access, I give you more than access. You enter his room, and I believe he paid you well handsomely. I know my boss. So now it's up for you to fulfill your own part of the deal, and you're telling me to leave it tomorrow. No, tomorrow might be too dangerous.
Hey, Ogana, you need to understand. I say my bakers, they pay me.
Agreement is
you agreement. You finish all the water, nothing.
Agreement is agreement, yo.
Ogana,
you don't reach it for
listen to me
you want to tell me nonsense. Agreement.
I don't say I no go settle you.
Don't with this girl. She's leaving my house today. She will leave my house. You've done with all her exercises.
See, you carry me like small pikin, and the small pikin.
Stop with me.
What did they do?
What do you mean stop? Stop what?
Wait, your body just dey hot anyhow. What did they happen now? I didn't say we could do this thing tomorrow. Now you won't come do it.
What do you mean do this thing tomorrow? See, I know the hear word though. See that will give me order. Will give me exactly. So just relax and spread it.
I no talk say I no go give you. I just dey say you know say here water no go fit come out now. Oh God don't drain all the.
No worry, if water no fit come out, go buy pure water pour that water go come out. So see, calm down. See, agreement is agreement.
Yeah, I know.
See, I've already get my own side of the bargain. So now it's now left for you to jejely reciprocate.
Okay, oh yeah, remove shoe now.
Which one remove shoe? But I'm
not romantic.
You want to reach romantic for what?
Hey God. Small baby, don't you? Don't you do one too much?
I will not do one. I want you to not do one. What?
Brother, what is it with you and these city girls? I don't understand. Brother, you're handsome. You're rich. You're wealthy. I mean, you've made money. Why don't you get married and do away with this your lifestyle?
And who told you that those are the criteria to get married? Who even programmed that thing? That once you get money, the next step should be marriage. That's a boring lifestyle.
Well, that's the best option now.
For you, because you decided to follow what they programmed for you. It's not my thing. I cannot cage myself with one woman because others are getting married. No.
I don't know, you're entitled to your opinion and choice. But of course, Mama is on high hopes now. And we all are waiting patiently for you to get married. Settle down.
Who asked you people to be waiting? I can't be living my life to please your all. No. What if I decide to become a reverend father? Life is not like that. It's all about choice, okay? Listen, remember what poverty did to our family. Poverty dealt with us. We lost our siblings. Adanna died, Ebube died, Jidekene died because we had no money. Even our father fell from a roof where he was working. So our primary and secondary aim should be making money. After being all through that, I said to myself, listen, I must make money that even my next generation will not suffer. That's the P. Marriage can come now. After all, a 75-year-old man can marry an 18-year-old girl. So where are we rushing to?
Poverty. Poverty really dealt with us. We lost the people, the most important people in our lives. Our brothers, Adanna, our father. Our mommy died 5 times after losing 5 children and a husband to the hands of death. Poverty. Poverty.
My crush and my dear love has found us.
Joseph, you sweet well.
I told you.
But here don't they pay me you? Eh? Everywhere just they do me like say pepper. They pour tatashi pepper for inside here.
See, let me tell you something. Anywhere I enter, I sign my signature well.
You sign them.
So that for the remembrance sake, you can, because of this knocking one night like this, you do on your own. You do yourself.
You even do pass your you do pass your organ.
Who be my organ?
Your getting small. Who be say you too small.
Toothpick.
But your own, eh? Hey!
Miracle Center. Miracle Center.
Oh, you don't kill me.
Joy giver. See now, you are not enjoying it. I told you that time, say calm down, let's do this thing. You are doing this. You are trying to do shakara. Now you are feeling it.
I feel it.
Don't worry. Anytime you didn't let me help you and blow this so that
hey.
do it.
What are you doing here?
Kasala don't boss. Olivia don't pursue me come out for house. Eh? She asked me to leave the house. I don't have anywhere to go. Now I'm back to stay here with you.
Stand up first.
Eh? Okay. Maybe I go enter room.
Joseph!
Will you be happy if I lose my job? What's the problem now?
What's your problem?
Listen, you're not only going to throw her out, but anytime I see her around this vicinity, that means you've lost your job.
Okay.
Steve.